Hi, and welcome on this tutorial on how to use Wonder. Wonder is an interactive audio and video chat tool, where participants are represented by avatars who can move to go in chat circles and participate in video chat groups. It is necessary to have a camera and a microphone on the device you will be using to participate in the session. Also, it is best to use Wonder through Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge browsers. You will have access to the Wonder session through the networking area of the conference website. In order to activate your camera and microphone, click on the Enable Camera and Microphone button. Then, click on the Allow button at the top left to allow the use of your microphone. To join the session, you need to enter a password. The password will be communicated to you in advance by the technical committee or the conference organizing committee. There are several ways to move around your avatar in the networking space. First, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard. Or, by clicking with your mouse, hold the click and move your pointer. Your avatar will therefore follow your pointer. By default, your video and microphone are on. You can activate and deactivate them by clicking on the micro and camera buttons. You can create discussion circles or join existing discussion areas by placing your avatar on another participant's avatar. To leave a chat circle, just move your avatar outside the circle or the chat area. To exit the session, click on the Leave the Room button or close the Wonder tab or window. Thank you for following this tutorial on how to use Wonder.